Hello, welcome to another video. Sorry I haven't been in there for so long, I just had school and all, so yeah. And for the, just spoiler I know, but like from the last video, the one that said I got scammed, it was a troll video. To see you guys' reactions. I didn't need any like comments. I could delete them because they're kind of fake. So please just forgive me. So today I'm into, well, for now I've been into these things called squishies. You might have heard them. And I got quite a lot actually. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so the first squishy I'll show you is this one. It is a dog with a unicorn horn. You're supposed to put slime in it, but I took the slime away because it was very, very sticky. It's like water. And this one's name is Russell because it came in like a blind bag thingy. It came with a blind bag, and his name is Russell. Okay, the next one is this one. I got it from my best friend. So yeah, I got it from my best friend. Oh my gosh. The next one is this one. Get the bat in the car! Got this one. This was the first one of my first squishies. This one. This one was a Halloween squishy. And the next one is this strawberry squishy. This one. What's away? Sorry if my hair gets in the way. The strawberries just gone wild. There we go. Yeah, I'm trying to pick squishy at the moment. So this there. Boom. Then you got this one. Sorry, I can't. It won't fit on camera. Alright, it won't fit on camera. Here it is. The next one is the Peppa Cheap. Peppa from one lump of one bed. This is defected. And this tentacle. That's mommy. Mommy? I mean Frankenstein. I got this mochi thingy. This is not a squishy, I just keep it in here. The mochi thing. I don't know where my mochi is gone. They're somewhere. Like, I don't know where they are. And I have these random art pieces in when I was looking. So I got that. Otter, because they're my favorite animal. And I got this eye. They're both pretty cool. Ice cream. Squishy this. Oh, I didn't see that. Squish. A bestie. This. Keep putting all these ones back. few people don't mind. So yeah. Sorry for all that shouting, by the way, guys. Sorry, I have to use the camera around too much on myself. This video in the intro. Got this tag cake off for my best friend for my birthday. Penguin. I know Taylor Cry Squishies has got that one. I forgot what that one's called. Watermelon. And this one's popcorn. This one is real. Makes you feel super. This unicorn I got from a store. I'm going squishy shopping tomorrow. I might. God. Especially don't go mental. Don't go mental on me. I got this banana. This pineapple. Comment down below if you've got any of these.